Hey everyone, welcome back. It's always offers crashing in the second you tap the icon or closing itself before Jake even shows up. Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close the Subway Surfers app completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings and tap General. Then go to iPhone Storage and check your free space. Subway Surfer downloads need new city themed content with every seasonal update and it crashes on launch when storage is too tight to load data. Free up room by offloading a few unused apps. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, press and hold on the Subway Surfers icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, Delete app, then tap Delete to fully uninstall it. Go to your app store and search for Subway Surfers and reinstall it fresh from there. After reinstalling, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to software update and install any pending iOS update. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall it fresh from App Store, update iOS, Subway Surfers without opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Subway Surfers fixes.